She say that, he say that, don't eat me. But how can I just stop eating you? You're so damn tasty, yeah. The best meat in the world. Why are you so yummy? Hi everyone, today vlog will be eating and cooking pork meat. Tujinkal kahondi ne voksahi ture tuhin chi to kasoba. Tuya kasoba tuhin di vivia sok ngai se ke ji chu voksai la ni nan din se hi mo ong ki pat na ke lo ha. Khui gam khui ho mong la ko le ki hello. Chang ne thi sa ho po dei se kho chi sop te de zo ni ve thu ve pe tu te u di ti ka wak gen hin chin tu hi ka wak tan za da ka gang thawa tan zo ko tin hun ngal jing ding ka hi ampanin chi tu wat ka sung zo in wa sa ho chu ka ban tha in khat khat in ka pha lu in zo tua hi amaru marang ho garlic ahi ginger ahi onion ahi zo bay leaf ipi ham yo pawa kahi zo chi dark sauce hi dark oyster sauce banahi fish sauce thêm khát tam lo yun tam lo thêm khát zo chi ka tha in chi ka tha zo in chili powder ne hai ga tha in chi pa ne hi asin ka sinin zo asin ko hong khit in marcha akki har ga tha in banin without after 2 hours of cooking 2 hours tui kang. Wow, looking so yum. Hi, tunchum mukbang chu bezo chongin ka don ni chu hey hi voksa nia voksa le an rice anita abana hian adot le hian cabbage and drum chili garlic chi tomato hey hi purun sen chu chu kai don ni cha mẹ cực là dry thì nâu lẹng ăn tùy water chỉ nên couple miệng nít cho tụi nó hiền cái đốn chả vẫn tùy tục tùy rocks. garlic. Let me try this one. Cut the way. Thì ai đi không đây là ông tội luôn. Yum hầu khen nhỉ. Yung ngọt ng xinh kìa. Why are you so yummy? Where do I start this? Okay, I'm gonna start here. I didn't put any lipstick because I don't have lipstick. If I put lipstick, it might be coming out again.
What?
Or I may swallow inside my mouth. Anyway, let's start eating again. Chị ơi nè. It is so big. Ooh la la. I am the cooker of my house. Boil food just like this. Only the water adding and boiling. That's what I want. That's what I mean. Oh, sorry. Whenever I take chili, this will start running. Don't want to eat that one. It has some black color. They got some disability, so I'm not gonna eat this. Yum hầu bữa chọn này sẽ đẹp. Nên là thùng bữa chọn khơi sẽ nó khơi trái đi xì cái này không ra. Yum hầu bữa yum hầu bữa. Kaya kang de. Sidi Raju Sharma oya. Sharma so hảo nha. Xế. Thằng Kim Liên hậu kịp. chỉ với về thằng xin nhìn cho. Chan chan. She or she, I don't know. She say that, he say that, don't eat me.
What?
But how can I just stop eating you? You're so damn tasty, yeah. The best meat in the world. I cannot speak English, but I want to use English so much, I don't know why. As if my forefathers are English maker. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to blow that out. Last bite, let me do last bite here. So go get a chim like that. Only this much. I took a big bite and I took this out.
Uh-oh.
Well done, Flo. Kẹo kìa à. Có lên nè. Okay, I get up. I give up. I told you now, I always want to speak in English, but whenever I use English, some words I do that will come out. Anyway, if you enjoy watching my vlog, my mukbang, please comment down below. I always say vlog. I don't mean to say that vlog. I'm trying to say that mukbang, okay? Thanks for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe. I'll be back on and until this Sunday I will post everyday vlog. I will post my video every day. I mean that. Poor English. If you don't know how to speak, just thanks for watching. Bye. Yeah, you got me. Yum, yeah. Yum, yeah. Yum, yeah. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. And in day.